Greetings, and thank you for taking the time to go on a virtual tour of our machine shop. My name is Bill Ballantyne. I'm the HR manager at Stein Seal Company. With the cooperation of a few of our machinists whom you'll meet in this video, I prepared this tour of our shop. You are on this site because you are looking for a job and need to decide whether or not you should bother to send your resume. You have questions. Is this the kind of place where you'd like to work? Which machines do they use here? Is the work challenging, and will I be able to further hone my skills here? We're proud of our shop, our skilled machinists, our advanced machine tools, and our manufacturing systems. Let's go for that tour and meet some of our machinists. Steph has been with us for 24 years. He is currently responsible for a manufacturing cell consisting of a CNC vertical machining center with a true fourth axis, also a G&L lathe and an Akuma CNC mill.
How you doing? I'm Stephen. I've been with the company for 24 years. I'm a CNC milling machinist, as we call ourselves. This is where I work. This is a vertical machining center. We have a Haas rotary table interface into the machine. This is typical of some of the parts we make. This is temporarily called a circumferential seal, one of the very large ones. We work with a large variety of materials: titanium, Inconels, many stainless steels. Carbide is our main choice of tooling that we use to machine these parts. Over here is one of our type of tool holders we use, a very long one. We use short ones, long ones, end mills, many different type of tools. Your responsibilities are to set up and operate the machine tools and maintain all of your tolerances, some of which can be down into a 1/2 thousandth of an inch, some can be up as 10/1000th of an inch. Customarily, we're working within 1/1000th of an inch tolerance.
No, you don't have to shave your head to work at Stein Seal Company. Dave has been with us for going on 11 years. He has nearly 30 years in the trade and was one of our first machinists we selected to learn how to set up and run our new Akuma 9-axis mill-turn machine. Dave's cell also includes an Akuma cadet lathe and a CNC IDOD grinder.
Hi, my name's Dave. I run the multi-axis machines. This is an Akuma MacTurn 350. We have several of these in the shop. I train people on these also. Right now what we do is we manufacture housings. We machine both sides of this in one-shot deal for the MacTurn. This machine itself has 44 tools in the top turret, 24 on the bottom. It runs simultaneously. It also has 2 spindles. It runs on this spindle and this spindle at the same time for more efficiency. We're machining this part here. It has a seal face that goes in here, grooves, holes, tapped holes, milling operations. This machine has 9 axes and it does pretty much everything. The idea in this cell is to come out with a finished part. We machine it on this machine here. We work with the programmer to cut the time down so that it's more efficient. Then we take it to other machines to finish grind it and finish lathe it so that we come out with a finished part.
Dana has been with us for 8 years. As floor inspector, he works closely with our machinist as a helpful second set of eyes when it comes to checking some of the close tolerances required by our customers. We have a CMM in our shop for our machinists to use. This CMM is calibrated with the CMMs used by our QC people.
Hi, my name is Dana. I'm a floor inspector here at Stein Seal Incorporated. One of the unique things about having a CMM out on the shop floor is that it allows our operators who operate within cells to come and inspect their parts during the production run. What this does is assure the fact that our product and or the parts that our machinists are making will produce and be inspected continuously throughout the run of their operations. There are CMMs in other parts of our company in the quality area, in the floor inspector area, but this is unique to our shop. We're hoping to have 4 CMMs placed in each cell, and all operators will be able to check their own work throughout their run.
Like Dave, Twan has been here 24 years and was one of our first machinists to receive training on the mill turn. He sets up and runs jobs in his cell which consist of an Akuma Multis, an Akuma LB36 lathe, and an Arthur IDOD grinder. Tuan told me he gets many challenging jobs which he enjoys.
My name is Tuan. I'm a machinist. I have very special train on this machine, Okuma. And this Okuma very special. They have lathe and mill together. And the turret can turn it 90 degrees to do a special job.
John has been with us for 9 years. As you can see, he enjoys fine dining at Boot Hill. John runs what we call a vertical turning mill. Some machinists would refer to it as a vertical turret lathe. It's a unique machine and just one example of the company's extensive investment in machine tools that are capable of meeting a wide variety of customer requirements.
Hi, my name's John. I've been here at Stein Seal for about 10 years. And the machine here is a vertical turning milling machine. We do a lot of our larger parts here, probably upwards to about 50 inches in diameter. It's a Fanuc-based control. We can mill parts on a vertical or horizontal, and also turn parts like a conventional lathe would.